RIMS hold 48th Foundation Day celebration and graduation ceremony. Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan encourages doctors to work with dedication. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan assures Centre will provide all-round modern healthcare facilities in Manipur. And Director of Arts and Culture A. Steve Das says lack of qualified teachers for a film institution hinders government in establishing a film institution in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal held its 48th Foundation Day celebration and graduation ceremony today. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan graced the event as the chief guest, speaking on the occasion. Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan stated that being a doctor is privilege, but it requires courage and determination to become one. RIMS directors, staffs and students attended the event held at RIMS Jubilee Hall. Speaking further, Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan stated that being a doctor not only provides livelihood to oneself but also provides a service to the society. He urged doctors to be virtuous, malicious and listen carefully to their patients. Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan appealed to students who graduated today to set goals in life which will benefit the society. He assured that the BJP-led Prime Minister Narendra Modi government will offer all the necessary guidance and assistance. Dr. Harshvardhan lauded RIMS upon getting 28th All India ranking and first among North-East states. He dedicated the achievements to RIMS directors, staffs and officials.
सफल डॉक्टर वो नहीं है जिसका बैंक बैलेंस बहुत बड़ा है या जिसके पास बहुत बड़ी गाड़ी है या जिसके नर्सिंग होम में फ्लोर के ऊपर भी मरीज लेटाने पड़ते हैं। आज सफल डॉक्टर वो है, उस डॉक्टर की प्रतिष्ठा और यश है जिसकी समाज में उपस्थिति मात्र से ही उस क्षेत्र में बीमारियां इसलिए लोप होनी शुरू हो जाएं क्योंकि उसने अपने जीवन को इस बात के लिए समर्पित किया कि जो समाज में लोग हैं उनको मुझे साथ साथ इस बात के लिए भी शिक्षित करना है कि बीमारी से बचाव अपने जीवन के अंदर इस बात के लिए प्रेरित कर सकते हैं कि तुम्हारे जीवन में बीमारी का इलाज ये सिर्फ 10% है, 90% तो बीमारियों से रोकथाम, उसकी जानकारी और तुम्हारा प्रोमोटिव हेल्थ के लिए तुम्हारा लाइफस्टाइल, तुम्हारा हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल यही जिम्मेदार है कि आप डॉक्टर बन गए हैं। ये भगवान का आशीर्वाद आपको प्राप्त हुआ है, लेकिन अब आप अच्छे डॉक्टर बने, इस चुनौती का आपको सामना करने के लिए आज आपका जीवन प्रारंभ हुआ है।
Taking part in the event, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren lauded RIMS doctor for securing the 28th All India ranking. He maintained that the state government has also initiated Chief Minister Haksel Gitengbang scheme and enrolled altogether 14,558 destitute persons of the state under the scheme, stating that the benefits of the scheme is provided at RIMS, Jenims, including 6 private hospitals in the state. The Chief Minister asserted that efforts are on to empanel more private hospitals. He declared that 1,58,421 individuals have been enrolled under Prime Minister Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJAY). Biren asserted that BJP-led state government has improved and enhanced the health sector in its 2.5-year tenure. He stated that the government has administered 20 mobile laboratories, 10 life-saving ambulances in the state and has selected 244 doctors through MSPC examinations. He asserted that although 25 crore rupees have been obtained for Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla's dream project of air ambulance from the donor ministry, works are delayed due to lack of communication within the center. He urged the Union Health Minister and concerned officials of Union Health Ministry to look over the matter. He appealed to doctors to maintain professional ethics and treat the patients with care. Married doctors were also felicitated on the occasion. Union Health and Family Welfare Secretary Preeti Sudan, MP of Inner Manipur Lok Sabha Dr. R.K. Ranjan, former Professor of Medicine Department RIMS Dr. Y. Iboton, Director Professor of RIMS A. Santa, Chairman Professor of Reception Sub-Committee 48 Foundation Day Celebration T.H. Sudhir Ranjan, former faculty members of RIMS and many people attended the event.
RIMS and JNIMS are conducting postgraduate course. RIMS also conduct postdoctoral course. Manipur is also well connected. The state today has a pool of quality teachers along with a large number of specialists, the medical profession. Therefore, in order to harness the full potential of the state, I request the ministry for setting up of an AIMS-like institution in Manipur. There is huge burden of neurosurgery case in our state. Poor patients are unable to afford the huge cost of medical treatment in a private hospital and in those located outside the state. JNIMS, the only state government funded medical institute, has trained neurosurgeons and a modular operation. The institute is yet to have a fully functional neurosurgery unit. I seek the assistance of the ministry in this area for setting up a neurosurgery unit at JNIMS.
Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has assured that government will provide all-round modern healthcare facilities like other states in Manipur and to upgrade RIMS into a sought-after medical institution. The Union Minister was addressing the gathering of the 48th Foundation Day cum graduation ceremony of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS in Imphal today. Dr. Harshvardhan maintained that the central government has put in efforts to develop RIMS, which is the only medical institution in the Northeast states since its inception. He assured that the present BJP-led government will further do its best to develop RIMS. The Union Minister also assured that Centre will sincerely examine and give consideration about providing air ambulance facility in Manipur, which is a dream project of Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla proposed by Inner Manipur Lok Sabha Dr. R.K. Ranjan and Chief Minister Nongthong Bumburing to ease the plights facing inhabitants of the interior hilly areas of the state. The Union Minister further assured that the centre will work towards establishment of a hospital at the level of AIMS and a cancer hospital in Manipur and to open a neurosurgery unit at JNIMS. Chief Minister Nongthong Bumburing, RIMS Director Professor A. Santa, Secretary of the Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry, Preeti Sudan attended the event.
रिम्स को बेहतर बनाना, इसको और ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाना, ये भारत सरकार का सपना भी है, संकल्प भी है और उस दिशा में जब से रिम्स को भारत सरकार ने लिया है तब से वो काम कर रही है। और इसी तरीके से जो भी विषय यहाँ के सांसद ने रखे हैं और यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री जी ने रखे हैं, मैंने मुख्यमंत्री जी को भी विश्वास दिलाया है कि पूरी सिंसियरिटी और पूरे कमिटमेंट के साथ हम लोग उन विषयों को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का ये सपना है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं उसमें मणिपुर भी है, वहाँ पे सब क्षेत्रों की जो सुविधाएं हैं वो देश के किसी भी हिस्से से किसी तरह से भी कम नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Director of Arts and Culture A. Steve Das stated that despite the government's best intention to promote Manipur's film industry by establishing a film institution in the state, it is unable to do so as there is lack of qualified persons fulfilling all the necessary criteria for teaching in a film institution. He was speaking at a two-day discourse on Manipur film, present scenario and measures for development organized by Signed Actors Guild Manipur at Tribal Research Institution, Chingmerong today. ACF Das lauded Signed Actors Guild for organizing the long-pending discussion meet, assuring that government is earnestly making efforts to promote film industry of the state. The Arts and Culture Director lamented that there are many experienced persons in the world of films, but only a handful of them have necessary educational qualifications meeting the criteria for recruitment in a film institution. He appealed to those engaged in the film industry to acquire necessary educational qualifications. The Art and Culture Director also asserted that the MSFDS auditorium in Palace Compound is exclusively for film premiere shows, cultural programs and government functions and not for any other unrelated events.
Recruitment of the academic staff. Film institute of film institute film Madrid Carino, Cabana Potokini, by Montomata, but they don't mention Tano Oza, Ozako. Ozako was a bit of a massive problem never. So he didn't see people, very like qualification, lecturer, assistant professor, associate professor, however, it's a person, sir. Masih kalah betul karena hapa da isu sejida khoi teman-teman national institution da ibu norms ke matu ina da madura la ibu qualification me ando ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ.
Manipur State Legal Service Authority organized National Lok Adalat at Lamphel Court Complex, Lamphel today. 4-bench handled 3,000 cases including BSNL, bank and family matters in the Adalat. Speaking to media, Member Secretary of Manipur State Legal Service Authority, Gaipun Sillu Golmay, stated that the Lok Adalat aimed to resolve various pending court cases amicably. Police recovered body of a man at Yaingang Pokpi Makalaikai under Yaingang Pokpi Police Station in Imphal East District today. The deceased is 28-year-old Pautin Thang Haukip, son of O Semkulun Haukip from Thawai Kuki village. According to Impact News sources, Pautin Thang left home to repair his vehicle along with his cousin at Yaingang Pokpi on September 8. Pautin Thang went missing after he told his cousin to wait for a while and left the place. Yaingang Pokpi Police OC Roman inspected the site where the body was found. Family members said Pautin Thang was a drug abuser. It is yet to ascertain whether Pautin Thang committed suicide or someone murdered him. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on opening of One Stop Center OSC at Wangkai Ningthempukri, Mapal. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. After Thawal and Chandel District, government has opened One Stop Center OSC at Wangkai Ningthempukri, Mapal in Imphal East today. One Stop Centers OSC across the country aim to support women affected by violence in private and public spaces within the family, community and at the workplace. Speaking at the inaugural event organized by District Administration Imphal East, Yai School MLA T.H. Satya Batra stated that OSCs were open across the country since 2015 under the Ministry of Women and Child Development Scheme to empower women. He maintained that officials of the medical department, police, legal experts and counselors will offer necessary assistance to women victims at the center. Imphal East DC Dr. Rangitabali Waikom, Imphal East District Adaksha P. Bimola and Social Welfare Director Angie Uttam attended the event.
ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡ ꯁꯥꯐꯨ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯐꯪꯂꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯔꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯊꯣꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯏꯈꯣꯡꯅꯅ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SICO in a press release urged the Meitei community to observe Laining Thau Pisatau Khudhaiba Irat Thauni on September 17. Now, the sports news. The FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup to be hosted by India will be held from 2nd to 21st of November next year. The age group showpiece event of the FIFA will be held in 4 cities across the country. Last month, the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar has been provisionally confirmed as a venue pending FIFA approval. Kolkata, Navi Mumbai, Panaji and Ahmedabad are in the running for the other 3 host cities. India was announced as the host country in March this year. Spain are the defending champions, having won the titles of the biennial tournament in 2018. As India has got an automatic qualification as host, it is not entering the Asian qualification campaign in the AFC Under-16 Women's Championship, which will be held in Thailand from 15 to 28 of this month. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. RIMS hold 48 Foundation Day celebration and graduation ceremony. Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan encourages doctors to work with dedication. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan assures Center will provide all-round modern healthcare facilities in Manipur. And Director of Arts and Culture, A. Sivdas, says lack of qualified teachers for a film institution hinders government in establishing a film institution in Manipur.